In-use covers are another solution for covering up your devices outside. So this here happens to be a metal in-use cover. They also come in plastic, in single gang and two gang. All metal and plastic boxes in-use covers are extra duty. Why would we use an in-use cover? Is if we have an outside cord plugged in. It could be for landscape lightings. It could be for a pool pump. We need to make sure that the cover doesn't pinch on the cord, but we also have to make sure that the box stays watertight. How is that accomplished? Is when you plug in your cord into your device, when the cover comes down, you will be able to physically close it all the way, which keeps it watertight. But now the access here allows the cord to go in without being pinched. When you think about the in-use covers, we have the same feature we had on the universal weatherproof covers. We have many adapter plates that you can choose based on your installation. So if we're talking about convenience, outlets outside that are duplex receptacles, maybe we have a single receptacle because you're going to use it for a circulation pump for a pool. You could have, an outside GFI. So you have many options. And that's the key, is that you are not locked into one type of device. This in-use cover has many options for you to connect to all different devices. An in-use cover is chosen when you're going to be plugging in a cord or you're going to be installing something in a wet location, but you want to be able to close the cover and secure the cord, keeping the box weatherproof. The key features of the in-use covers is that this is a universal in-the-use cover, which allows you the option of doing a vertical installation, which we will demonstrate today, but it also has the option of doing a horizontal installation. The in-use cover also has the gasket already pre-installed. So what I'm going to go ahead now and do is install this particular in-use cover in a vertical orientation for the demonstration we have today. So first step is on the back of the in-use cover, there's a perforated, knockout for you to remove the gasket. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove that. Simply press it out. We've removed that gasket. Now the next step is to choose what insert do you want to install. That's dependent upon your device. For the demonstration today, we have a Decora GFI. So I would go ahead and I would simply take the plastic insert and I would lay it into the back here. Now remember, once again, it is labeled front and back on the insert. At that point, I would go ahead and begin my installation. I would place it on top. Once again, making sure your gasket is tight up against your weatherproof box, and we would then go ahead and install using the 632 screws and begin securing it to your weatherproof box. These are slotted screws, so have a regular screwdriver available. Be sure to install all 4 screws that come with the weatherproof in-use cover so that when you are mounting it, it is held tight against your weatherproof box. This will ensure it maintains weatherproof. So now going ahead, I want to show you how easy it is to install the in-use cover in the vertical orientation. So we place it here and it snaps right in. And now your cover is ready to be used. Now that you have your in-use cover installed, now it's time to put it into application. So with an outside cord, we're going to go ahead and begin an installation. From here, I open my cover up. Before I can go ahead and install the cord, I have to remove the tab that comes in the bottom. This will allow your cord to access through the bottom of the in-use cover. From here, I'm going to plug my cord in. And now I'm going to go ahead and close the in-use cover down around the cord. So now it's still weatherproof with the cord plugged in. Now, if your particular device that you are energizing that you have on site needs to be locked out to unauthorized users or unqualified users, this in-use cover has the ability of adding a locking feature.